This is Utility Toolbar. It has many features. Some of it will be shown here. It can be moved anywhere on the screen. When you close it and open it again, it remembers the last position on the screen. Select an object and click in this text box. It gets the outline width of the object. As you click on this button, the outline width is updated in real time. When you uncheck this, the object's outline property of behind the fill is turned off, and when you check this, the outline property of behind the fill is turned on. This turns on and off the scale with object property of outline. Type in the angle which you want to rotate the object. Type in the distance you want to move object horizontally. This text box is for vertical distance. This text box is for number of copies you want for the object. This is very useful when you want the size of one object to be equal to other object. When you click this bar, it gets the height and width of the object. When you click this bar, it gets the height and width of the target object. Select the object you want to change the size. You can change size in %. Make a line. It gets the angle of line both from vertical line as well as horizontal line. Rotate clockwise. Select line as you do by Alt key and drag, without pressing Alt key. Rotate anti-clockwise. These are a few examples of uses of this toolbar.